Lafayette's only had about 45% of its normal rainfall, and sure enough, as we look at the drought status category, and this was last updated last Thursday, we get an update once a week on Thursdays. Much of the area from northern Vermilion, all of Lafayette Parish, into a good part of St. Landry Parish, abnormally dry, not actually a drought, but just on the edge of heading in that direction. If this continues for several more weeks, there was some pretty good rains up here, so I may put a dent in the yellow there. And regionally, not a whole lot to worry about at this point. It's dry in South Texas, but it is typical there. Worst drought in the U.S. is in northwestern portions of New Mexico. And looky here, California out of a drought category. Still a little dry in Southern California, but this is a major shift from the last year or so. And there are a few other dry spots across the nations, across the southeast of the U.S. So cool overnight tonight following that frontal boundary. It's going to be a beautiful start to the day. You'll probably need a light jacket or sweater. There's going to be a little bit of a breeze in the morning, but lots of sunshine in the afternoon. Still breezy though. That means upper 60s to near 70 is going to feel cooler than that during the course of the day. Chilling down tomorrow night, more than likely heading into the low to mid 40s. So it's going to be nice and cool, and then warming back up into the upper 60s to lower 70s as we head into Wednesday afternoon. Let's push it into Thursday. A cool start, but certainly getting milder for the finish as we'll start to see temperatures pushing into the mid 70s for Thursday afternoon. Long range look at the European model. Clouds on Friday, maybe a quick passing shower, but Friday looks pretty good. Saturday doesn't look too bad. There might be a few showers around the area, but it looks like best rain chances are going to follow the next front. But won't you know, this weekend's going to be cloudy and a pretty good chance of rain, overrunning rains behind this frontal boundary on Sunday. So it doesn't look like a big soaking, and we'll take a pretty good soaking, but I don't think we're going to even see that. But look at the temperature Sunday afternoon. This is the European model, mind you, but I think we stay in the 50s. I don't think we get down into the 40s, but it's going to be cool, and we'll highlight that as you look at the temperatures for Monday afternoon in the 50s. 36, I don't know about that, but certainly there'll be a little bit of a chill in the air, and it won't feel like April. It will be April after all at this period, and then warming up once again for the following weekend with clouds returning, maybe ahead of another wet weekend, or at least a cloudy weekend. Tonight, though, we'll concentrate on the good stuff. Lower 50s, northern portions of Acadiana could poke into the upper 40s across Cenla, up toward Alexandria, low to mid 50s I-10 corridor, and the same across the coastal parishes. And then tomorrow afternoon, after that chilly start, will warm up nicely. We'll get to about 70 or 71 degrees with that pretty strong March sun. And then tomorrow night, low 40s to the north, mid 40s to the south, so nice and chilly. And then we go back into Wednesday afternoon. We'll see temperatures pushing the lower 70s once again. So quiet for the rest of the night. Fair skies out there. Fresh breeze developing in the next hour or two. You're going to hear the wind chimes picking up. And then tomorrow, beautiful day. Lots of sunshine. Fresh north breeze will continue. We'll go 70 for the high with north winds at about 10 to 15. As we go down the road, winters for Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and we might squeeze in Friday as well. Going into the weekend, more clouds, a few showers Saturday, warm on Saturday, pushing 80 degrees Saturday, and then we might have a hard time pushing much higher than the 50s on Sunday. And I have rain chances on Sunday at 70%, but those numbers have been going up and down. A little difficult figuring out this time of year. The jet streams merge and they kind of waffle around.